तद्भक्ताय वाञ्छाकल्पस्य कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 सर्वतमरित बात नित्यलीला कविष्टम विष्णुपाद वास्तुपुरस्मान भक्ति राम श्रवणानंद सिंह महाराज एवं नित्यलीला कविष्टम विष्णुपाद वास्तुपुरस्मान भक्ति राम श्रवणानंद सिंह महाराज अनंतपति शास्त्रांग वास्तुपुरस्मान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
So just you have heard Paratpar Pattatu. So Brajendandan Shyam Sundar, who is worshipable by Brahma and other big devas, so from the he descends from the Nitya Golok Vrindavan. So why he appeared in this world? In the Vedanta Sutra it is said that word is transcendental. Anandamay Abhyasat, Anandamay Abhyasat, Anandamay Abhyasat. That is Ananda Dham. In that dham there is no suffering. Shankaracharya, according to Shankaracharya, if there is little anand, there is also there is little bit suffering. No, there is no suffering. That dhan is totally blissful, totally anandamay. Just like किसका चीनी का So just like we made from the sugar syrup. So what must be in there? There must be sweetness. Apart from sweetness, nothing is there, because it is made full of sugar, and sugar had sweetness. So in the same way, Bhagavad Dham, it is Satchidananda. So there is so much bliss there. There is no suffering, even a little bit. Dukhalya. This word is called Dukhalya. So in this word there is no happiness, and that transcendental word is Anandamaya. Hindi broadcast is also available. You can check there. Hare Krishna. You can check. Hindi broadcast is also available. There is a word in the Sanskrit which is called, there is only dukh dukh. So anybody knows that what is that word? This word is full of suffering. So staying in this world, what we want happiness, which is not there. But you cannot get the sukh, the happiness in this world. So for searching the happiness, you have to go to the Anandamaya Jagat. That's why it is said Anandamaya Abhyasat, Anandamaya Abhyasat, Anandamaya Abhyasat. So Bhagwan is Ananda Swarup. हट दुनिया नहीं हट नो दुनिया.
तो वही स्वयं कहने के मेरे तात्पर्य वो ऐसे नित्य आनंद के धाम में स्वयं भगवान अपने नित्य परिकरों के साथ
So Bhagwan with this Nitya Parikar,
आस्वादन करते हैं.
so he is relishing the Anand with his Nitya Parikar. Jeev is so much small and he is contaminated with the Maya and wandering in this world. We are wandering in this world.
तो हम सब सुख चाहते हैं.
But we all want happiness.
नात्तम पर सुखम है. नात्तम पर सुखम.
नात्तम पर सुखम.
सुख नहीं है. बृहद वस्तु में
So there is no happiness in the short thing. There is a sukh in the brad thing. Anu mein there is no sukh in the anu thing.
अल्प वस्तु में सुख नहीं है, दुख ही. बृहद वस्तु भगवान है.
So brad vastu is Bhagwan, anu vastu is Jeev. So there is no happiness in the Jeevs and Bhagwan has full of sukh mein. Bhagwan full of anand mein.
और वस्तु के कहीं भी विपरीत शब्द होता है.
Everything has an adverse thing.
आनंद के विपरीत क्या है? अब बताओ.
Anand dukh. So what is the adverse opposite of Anand?
हैं? बताओ, कोई बताओ. आप बताओ.
दुख.
बताओ. आनंद के विपरीत है क्या?
What is the opposite of Anand?
हाँ? नहीं, वो विपरीत शब्द नहीं है.
Niranand is not Viparit.
आनंद ऐसे शब्द है जिसके विपरीत शब्द नहीं बना सकते. वो तो आप उपसर्ग लगा रहे हैं.
Anand is the word, there is no opposite word.
है ना? उसके लगा करके आप निरानंद बोल रहे हैं. विपरीत शब्द है जिस वस्तु के संपूर्ण अभिन्न हो. जैसे दिन के विपरीत क्या है?
Raat,
रात.
just like day and night.
है? क्या जी?
As it is नहीं मिलेगा.
विपरीत शब्द है. वास्तव में विपरीत शब्द जो संस्कृत में कहा जाता है.
So the opposite word in this Sanskrit is said.
वस्तु संपूर्ण भिन्न हो.
So the things will be completely opposite of the another thing.
नहीं मिले कहाँ पर ये उपसर्ग लगा.
And if we are not able to find that adverse thing, so we are using prefix there. If there is sukh, then dukh.
किंतु सुख के विपरीत है दुख.
Because the opposite word of sukh is dukh. Just like din, raat, day and night. Sukh, dukh, happiness, unhappiness.
असुख नहीं. असुख शब्द लगा सकते हैं.
We also can use asukh, but there is a prefix here. And you have to
क्या जी?
as.
लगा करके आप बताएं. किंतु आनंद ऐसे शब्द है.
So Anand is the word
उसमें
which you cannot make any opposite word of that. This is the very astonishing thing. Anand.
आनंद ही है.
Anand is Anand. Anand is Anand himself, where Jeev
सदा सर्वदा
always gets blissful. There is nothing is sorrow like that.
इसलिए कहते हैं नक्तम पर सुखम घुमैव ना घुमैव सुखम नक्तम पर घुमा माने बृहद.
Bhoma means vrad. In there is a Upanishad, there is a shlok. Bhomeva sukham.
घुमा वस्तु शब्द क्या है? शब्द बोलते हैं बृहद.
Bhuma means brahad.
सर्वोत्तम बृहद जो वस्तु जो
The
है
topmost brahad thing is Bhagwan, which we call unique.
भगवान
That is Bhagwan.
ब्रह्म कहते हैं. परमात्मा
So we call that Brahma, Bhagwan.
ब्रह्म शब्द मुख्य अर्थ कहे भगवान.
Brahma shabde mukh arte kahe Bhagwan in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Actually,
जो ओरिजिन अर्थ
the meaning of the origin meaning of the Brahma is Bhagwan.
बराबर कोई नहीं.
No one is equal to him.
कार्य परंच विद्यते न तस्य समस्त अधिकं च दिश्यते. पराशक्ति विविधस्वते स्वाभाविकी ज्ञान बल क्रिया. जहाँ पर हम ये सब जो ले रहे हैं उनके समान कोई वस्तु नहीं है.
So there is no equal to Bhagwan. If we are giving the comparison, we always give the comparison with the comparable things. Like if something is there 1820, so we can give the comparison.
इसके साथ तुलना किया.
So whom you can compare with Bhagwan?
कोई वस्तु
No one is like that equal to Bhagwan, so you can give the comparison.
नहीं. सर्वोत्तम
He is the topmost.
न तस्य कार्य करंच.
न तस्य कार्य करणचि विद्यते.
अधिक गुण की बात है.
So
उसके
what to speak about the higher? Nothing is equal to him.
किंतु
किमता.
किमतो माने
Kimta means
न्याय में कहा जाता है कि उता
ki uta.
यदि कोई 50 किलो वजन यदि
If somebody is carrying the 50 kg weight, so what to speak about the 5 kg weight? He can easily lift that.
जाने में कष्ट होता है
If you can so much suffer of,
मानो चीनी के पैकेट के
if you are taking the 2 kilos of sugar or the packet of namak, you can easily take that. You can easily carry,
किलो वजन ले
because you can carry the 50 kg weight. But if there is a little child, if you ask him to 50 kg weight, so he cannot lift that. So in one Upakyan, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada is given example ki kota, kim kota.
बृहद वस्तु है
Bhagwan is brother vastu. He is, no one is equal to him.
बात छोड़ दीजिए कि समानी की
What to speak about?
कोई वस्तु उनके साथ समान
No one is comparable with him.
नहीं। इसी प्रकार भूमि में सुखम
That's why it is called Bhumev Sukham.
भूमा वस्तु में सुख है आनंद है। जीव अत्यंत क्षुद्र होने के नाते
Jeev is so minute. That's why he is wandering in this world, and Maya is capturing him.
यही तो कारण है
This is the reason it is short. Jeev is so much Chudra, maybe in a minute form,
फिर कहते हैं वेदांत में कहा
but it is in the Vedanta also said that the Chudra Jeev, the very minute Jiva,
शक्ति जब प्राप्त करें
when he get the mercy of Bhagwan or the power of the Bhagwan, Maya keep distance, make a distance from him, just like example is given.
जिस प्रकार
Just like
के बच्चा
there is a
एक भगवान दो दिन के
there is a children of loin for 1 day or 2 day.
अनेक जो है वो क्या भेड़ के द्वारा
Bhed.
नहीं भेड़ के द्वारा वो गिरेगा
So he is surrounded by the bhed, like a gods.
अब यह वेदांत दर्शन में यही उदाहरण दे रहे हैं
In the Vedanta Sutta, the example is giving there is a little child, 1-2 days child. So what happens? He is lost the way, and he is surrounded by the gods.
किंतु देखो
Now,
भेड़ से लिया।
so now,
फिर कुछ समय के बाद
but after some time, when the
वो जब
lion's child grow up and when he roar,
शेर के हुंकार सुनते ही
so hearing the roar of that little child, all the 8 gods,
वो क्या है सब मर जाता
they ran away.
तात्पर्य क्या है
So what is the meaning here actually?
भगवत कृपा
Bhagwan Kripa, Bhagwan Anugrah.
की शक्ति जब प्राप्त
When any jeev gets the mercy of Bhagwan or power of Bhagwan, when he gets the shift bal, so he cannot fear with the Maya. Maya always make a distance from that person.
है तब तक मैं हमारी तरफ
So until we are not getting the Chidval, so we are surrounded by the Maya. Once we get the Chidval, Maya cannot touch us.
वो माया इसे करें
Sheeps, right, sheeps.
अपने पाला में सब सिंह रवे
It's not ships, it's sheeps.
नाम महात्मा बोल रहे शुद्ध नाम जिस समय हमारे जीवन में उच्चारण
When we utter the pure name of Lord,
जीव जिस दिन शुद्ध नाम उच्चारण करेंगे चित बल आ जाएगा
so when he get the Chidval, so at that time Maya will go away from that person.
इसलिए नाम की है
So this is the glory of name. So that's why I am telling so much glory again and again of Nam.
सिंह रवे यथार्थ वही घर सिंह माने शेर
So sing loin, when loins roar,
हाथियां
big elephants, big hathis and elephants like a mountain, they ran away.
तात्पर्य क्या है
So what's the meaning here?
भगवत नाम हम जब उच्चारण करते हैं
When we pronounce or utter the holy, pure holy name,
शुद्ध नाम जब जीवन में उदित हो जाता है तब माया
then Maya
से दूर है
make a distance from him. This is it's showing.
क्योंकि नाम ही संग परब्रह्म भगवान
Because Naam is Parabrahma Bhagwan Swarup. Naam Chintamani Chaitanya Rasvai Purna Chitta Nitya Bhagavad Naam Namino.
उचित बल आ जाता है उचित बल जब आज
So when somebody gets the Chidval, so Maya spontaneously make a distance from that person.
नित्य कृष्ण देखी करे नो आदर भक्त
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying in the Kirtan,
किंतु जीव क्या करते क्षुद्र होने के नाते
Jeev is in a very minute forms. That's why he is attracted towards Maya and controlling by Maya.
मुक्त जीव भी संसार में रहे तथापि माया उसके पीछे
If Mukta Jivas is living in this world, so Maya will try to effect of that Mukta Jivas also.
3 बार
Haridas Thakur,
आदि का आएगी नहीं।
Maya Devi comes 3 times towards Haridas Thakur. What is your name?
आदि के सब प्रभु
Adi Keshav.
सुंदर नाम।
Very nice name.
आदि के सब प्रभु है? अच्छा बताओ 3 बार माया देवी आएगी।
So Maya Devi came 3 times to
दास ठाकुर
Haridas Thakur.
साधारण नहीं।
Haridas Thakur is not an ordinary.
माया देवी देखो
But still, Maya Devi came to him.
3 बार
Came to him 3 times. Are bas for taking his test. So in this word, Mukta Jiva. If Mukta Jiva is staying in this world, still Maya will try to effect on that person. So Maya cannot do anything with Haridas Thakur. Even she.
लक्ष्य हीरा उनके पतित करने
So Lakshya Hira came to him for making him
3 दिन में उसको क्या करे उद्धार करे।
patit, downfall. But what happened after 3 days? She liberated. She got the Krishna Prem.
हैं? आप लोग सब जानते हैं। आप लोग सब पंडित हैं ना?
You all are a scholar. You are all pandit. So you know everything very well.
बोलने से मुख खुलने
If you I speak a lot, so you understand everything. You all are a scholar.
आते हैं ये मूर्ख बुझे इंगित और पंडित बुझे मूर्ख बुझे ना पंडित बुझे इंगित और मूर्ख
Pandit bhuje ingite, murkh bhuje kile. What is the meaning here actually?
जो है
Who are the scholar?
उसको समझ जाते हैं।
If you are speaking a little to the pandit, they can understand.
पंडित बुझे इंगित पंडित जो समझ जाते हैं इंगित दो शब्दों की तरह बोल दो।
So if you speak a little, pandit, the scholar can understand. But
कठाल के हाथ उसको
and if you are talking to the foolish people, so
इसलिए
they cannot understand easily.
जो हरिदास ठाकुर देखो
क्यों?
माया इतना समझ है इस संसार में जीती रहे तो उसकी लड़ाई कर संसार है तो जीव यानी कि हमारी इतना कहने की ताकत जीव अब तक तो अनु होने के नाते माया बस
Before 8. Before 8. Huh? Before 8. So when Jeev get the Chitval, so Maya make a distance from that person. Just like
आपके जो
किसमें?
जैसे लोहे के कांटे के समय चिंगारी निकालते हैं ना वो जिसी करके निकाल दे कुछ होता है किंतु देखो कोई चिंगारी
If there is a sparkle
आपके चिंगारी
from the fire is coming, and if you put that sparkles in, if that sparkles comes from the contact with the petrol, so there will be a blast. It will get a huge form of fire. So there is a example is given in the Jaiv Dharma.
देखो कैसे विभा अग्नि स्फुलिंगवत है ये सब तो भगवान बृहद वस्तु है
Bhagwan is Brihad. He is so much Brihad. So
ब्रह्म शब्द जहाँ पर कहा गया ब्रह्म शब्द मुख्य अर्थ कहे
Brahma Shabde Mukha Arte Kahe Bhagwan.
अमूर्त समान चेतन चेता
In the Chaitanya Charitamrita,
ब्रह्म शब्द के ये मुख्य अर्थ
so the main meaning of Brahma is Bhagwan.
भगवान ब्रह्म शब्द के मुख्य अर्थ कहे उनके बराबर भी कोई है
So no one is higher to him, so no one is equal to him, so what to speak about higher?
यही पर ब्रह्म भगवान
So this same Par Brahma Bhagwan, he is Ananda Swarup.
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन
In the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham,
नित्य परिकरों के
he is associating with his Nitya Parikar and taking the relishing the Ananda Ras.
रसो रसो वैसा
Raso Raso Vaisa Jeva Labda Swarup.
किंतु वही भगवान की जो तरसा शक्ति जी इस संसार में कैसे कुछ कर है इस संसार में हम करते जा रहे हैं भगवान इसी विचार करते जा रहे हैं
So Bhagwan is thinking in this way. So they all are my sons and daughters.
ये जीव हमारी पुत्र करना मैं आनंद सुख में नित्य नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन धाम में
So
परिवार के साथ में आनंद रहा।
I am enjoying in the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan with my parikars and my sons and daughters. They are suffering in this world. They are so much suffering in this world. So he is thinking in this way.
कितने दुखी जीव है। ऐसे जीवों की किस प्रकार
So how can I give the mercy of these kinds of jivas?
परम मंगलमय
Bhagwan,
मंगलमय
Bhagwan is auspicious. He is Mangalmay.
वही मंगलमय भगवान जिसको
So the same Mangalmay Bhagwan is thinking these all jivas are my sons and daughter. So the father is enjoying all the day and night, and their sons and daughters suffering so much.
इसमें भगवान भी
So in this way, Bhagwan is thinking
ऐसे जीवों की मैं कैसे उद्धार करूं?
how I liberated all these kinds of
ऐसे जीवों
jivas.
को उद्धार करने के लिए स्वयं भगवान
So for liberating all these kinds of jivas, Bhagwan came descants from Golok Vrindavan in this home, so in so many forms.
किंतु तथापि
But is still Jeev,
उन्मुख कृष्ण उन्मुख नहीं हो।
he is not being Krishna Unmukh.
माया के द्वारा ऐसे विमुख है
He is so much attracted towards Maya that he is not going towards Krishna. Bhagwan has taken so many incarnations, so many saintly persons came on this earth, but still he is not attracting towards him. So in this way, Bhagwan is thinking that how can I liberate all these kinds of souls who are suffering in this world.
उपनिषद में कहा गया
So it is said into the Upanishad,
सर्वपुत्र स्वरूप ही है
Jeev is the son of Amrit, Amrit Putra Swarupa.
और मेरे पुत्र को मैं कैसे संसार
And my sons and daughter, my childs are suffering so much in this world. For that's why liberating on this, for this jivas, Bhagwan descants from the Nitya Golok Dham Vrindavan, and he would like to prakat the leelas here. So that's why in the Srimad Bhagavatam
वृंदावन धाम
it is mentioned that why Krishna from Golok Vrindavan descant in this mic world and why he is performing the leelas.
इसमें कर रहे हैं
So in this Anugranam Bhaktanam Manusham Dehinashutam, you know?
देवता विश्वक्रीडन जासुत्वा तत्परो भवेत्
So Ras Panchadhyay, the 33 chapters, this is a shlok. Maybe Ras Panchadhyay.
29 से लेकर के
From 29 to 33 chapters, there is only about Ras.
वास्तव यही कारण है जितने भी
I don't know.
कारण देखा हम भी आगे बता दीजिए ये कृष्ण
मेरा थोड़ा बड़ा
गोलोक वृंदावन
मेरा बड़ा हो।
धाम से अवतरण की जो कारण जितने भी कारण
So there are many reasons for Krishna's coming
मुख्य कारण और एक
from descants from Golok Vrindavan to on this earth. There are two reasons, Mukhya Karan and Gaur Karan, prominent and secondary reason. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj is describing Anugrah hai
भगवान अनुग्रह करने
for Bhagwan for the compassion और जीवों पर, भक्तों पर.
भक्त को अनुग्रह
So Bhagwan would like to anugrah the mercy upon the bhaktas.
नौ में जैसे नौ प्रिय
He descants from Golok Vrindavan Dham.
कौन मेरा शत्रु है कौन मेरा
No one is my enemy, no one is my friend.
समूहम सर्वभूतेषु नौ में जैसे नौ प्रिय गीता में भगवान
So Bhagwan in the Gita and the saying in this way, no one is my friend, no one is my enemy.
मेरा शत्रु क्या है मित्र क्या है ये मानते हैं मुझे शत्रु मैं उनके शत्रु नहीं
So
मानता
people think that I am his enemy, but I am not their enemy.
मैं थोड़ी उनके शत्रु
I don't think that I am his enemy, but they think that I am his enemy. Kans, Jarasandh, Duryodhan, Dushasan,
मुझे शत्रु मानते
they think that I am his enemy, but I don't think that they are my enemy.
हैं। प्रति समभाव
So I have the equal, the neutral nature from everybody, that Sama Sarvabhuteshu like, Sammoham Sarvabhuteshu like. I am equal for everyone.
भगवान विचार करते
So that's why Bhagwan is thinking in this way, Anugraha Bhaktanam.
और एक भगवान की जो दो प्रकार की लीला एक अनुग्रह लीला
Bhagwan has two kinds of Leela, Anugrah Leela or Nigrah Leela. Nigrah,
दोनों ही एक ही तात्पर्य है
Anugraha, Nigrah. Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada, he is writing
ये अनुग्रह और निग्रह
Bhagwan's Anugrah or Nigrah. Nigrah means punishment.
है। इसके दंड देना
For punishing someone and mercy upon someone, both are the same thing.
अनुग्रह किसको कहा जाता है
What is Anugrah? Anugrah means, what is Anugrah?
दंड किसके
Nigrah, who is he is giving to the punishments? So who is adverse from him? and who doesn't want to accept Bhagwan, so he is giving punishment to them.
जैसे मूर्ख
Just like the foolish person.
कैसे आपको वशीभूत करो?
So how you can control the fool person?
प्यार के द्वारा कोई प्यार से नहीं
So he cannot be controlled by the love.
है। गाय पशु के जो है पशु के वशीभूत करने के लिए
For controlling the animals, what you need? You need two things. First, you have to show him the green grass so they can attract toward grass and come to you. And if he is not controlling by that, so then you have to. The second reason, you have to punish them. You have to beat them
है? क्या करना चाहिए? मूर्ख व्यक्ति के वशीभूत बात की
for controlling the foolish.
क्या करना चाहिए?
पिटाई करनी चाहिए.
लबुड़ माने
डंडा.
दंड पिटाई करो।
So you should beat him with a stick. What to do else? Nothing. You have to beat them.
इसलिए भगवान की
So in this way, Bhagwan or Nigraha, there are two kinds of leelas of Bhagwan, Anugraha and Nigraha, mercy and punishment.
जो है
So both are
एक ही ताकत
the same.
निग्रह करके उनकी कृपा ही करते हैं।
So if he is doing the punishment, if he is giving the punishment to someone, so it means he is doing the mercy also in indirect way. And Anugraha, if he is directly doing the mercy to the jivas,
भगवान की भजन कर रहे हैं।
who is the performing bhajan and sadhan for the Bhagwan since so long, so he is giving the mercy to those devotees.
हजारों साल तक
So the person who are performing bhajan for thousand years, and they are so much eager to take the darshan of Bhagwan.
ऐसे भक्त की कृपा करने के लिए
For mercy, that kinds of devotees, Bhagwan descends from the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham.
है। दर्शन दे भक्त लोग कैसे उत्कंठित हो रहे हैं।
So how bhakta are so much eager to take the darshan of Bhagwan. So that's why Bhagwan descends from the Golok Vrindavan for mercying them.
जैसे भगवान
Just like Bhagwan Ramchandra.
है, ज्यादातर कृष्ण लीला के साथ रामचंद्र लीला के साथ जो है अनेक जो है
So there are many things similar in the Krishna Leela and Ram Leela.
भगवान रामचंद्र
Bhagwan Ramchandra, when he went to Dandakaranya, at that time the Dandakaranya rishis,
ये गोपाल मंदिर
they chanted the Gopal mantra for thousand years. And after taking the darshan of Ramchandra, so they get the stimulations in their hearts
क्योंकि भगवान
that he is the Krishna
जो
Roop.
क्या बोले अंग कांति के
Because the complexion of Bhagwan Ram is similar with the Krishna.
साथ और उनकी बुद्धि बना
So they got the stimulations that he is the same Krishna.
रामचंद्र के पीछे पीछे दौड़े।
That's why they started and running, started chasing the Ramchandra.
उनके हृदय में उदित हुए।
So the Gopi Bhav manifested in his heart. And now,
प्रियतम
so
प्राप्ति करने के लिए
so for getting him in the form of his Prana Priyatam, so the Sarva Antaryami Bhagwan who knew the everything, so they said, Munivar, hey Rishigan,
मनोवांछा मुझे आप लोग के जो मन में जो इच्छा
so whatever the desire you have in your hearts, I will fulfill that in my next incarnation. So I cannot fulfill this into the Ram Leela. I cannot accept this because in the Ram Leela I have taken an oath
है, एक प्रतिज्ञा करनी
at the time of Swayamvara Sita that one woman man.
पत्नी
So I will be one woman man.
है। इसलिए हे मुनि
That's why hey Munivar, hey Rishigan,
आप लोग को इस कार्य नहीं करना।
I cannot accept you.
किंतु
But-
आप लोग हमारे प्रति इतने असंतुष्ट
But you have so much attachment towards me, so I am giving you one benediction that after the Ram Leela,
मैं कृष्ण लीला
I will be in the Krishna Leela,
और उस समय
and after that, at that time,
गोपी गृह में ब्रज में
so you will get the birth in the womb from the gopis,
प्रसिद्ध
and by the associating of my Nidya Siddha Parikar Radha and other gopis, by the associating them,
मेरे प्रति प्रबल अनुराग
you will get the deep anurag, attachment towards me,
आप लोग प्राप्त
and then you can get me.
भगवान रामचंद्र जी
So Bhagwan, by the mercy of Ramchand, all the rishis of Dandakaranya,
ब्रज में
they got the birth in the Braj, in the Gopi womb,
इस शरीर भी प्राप्त
and they got the Gopi form.
सिद्धा ब्रज में कृष्ण
And by the associating of the Nitya Siddha gopis, they got the attachment towards Krishna.
ब्रज प्रेम यानी गोपी प्रेम जिसको रासलीला में प्रवेश अधिकार मिला।
So they got the capability to entrance in the, when they got the Vastu Siddhi, and they get entrance in the Ras Leela. So that's why Anugraham Bhaktanam, for compassionate mercy on the bhaktas who are so much eager to take the darshan of Bhagwan for after thousand years, for mercy on that kinds of jivas, Bhagwan coming from the Golok Vrindavan Dham.
ये कहते हैं
So that's why it is saying, so how is doing the mercy?
और भगवान की लीला आदि करते जा
So the Bhagwan performing the Leela Manusham, just like a human being, and he's performing the Leela like a human being.
सर्वोत्तम नरलीला नरबपु ताहार सरो उपवेश बेनुकर नरलीला হয় অনুরূপ কৃষ্ণের স্বরূপ বিচার শুন সনাতন অদ্বয় জ্ঞান তত্ত্ব প্রজে ব্রজেন্দ্র
So Bhagwan is Advaya Gyan Paratattva.
ब्रह्मेति परमात्मनि भगवानिति
Shabdate.
एक ही परब्रह्म
So he is the same Parabrahma Bhagwan. He divided himself into three forms. So according to the bhava of the bhakta, before the Gyanis, he manifested himself in the effulgence in the Brahma form. Yogis, to the yogis, he is manifesting himself in the form of Paramatma. And who are the devotees of Madhur Ras, he is showing his beautiful Madhurya form. According to the bhava of the bhakta, he is manifesting in his form. The same Bhagwan, according to the Prem Madhurya of Bhagwan, he is manifesting his many forms. Do you know Vaidurja Mani? Just like a money. So there are 7 colors in that. So different angles you will see the different colors. So Yatha Vaidurja Mani means just like that money. So according to the rasas of the bhaktas, Bhagwan manifesting his forms. So we will further explain when he enter into the Krishna's Rangashala, so people are watching in the 12 forms according to the 12 ras. So everybody is taking darshan of Bhagwan according to the 12 ras. So according to the ras of the bhaktas, Bhagwan is manifesting his form. See the same Bhagwan. Ekameva Param Tattvam. He is the one Param Tattva.
वो एक ही परम तत्व है अपने सामने अचिंत्य सत्य के द्वारा ही अनेक स्वरूप अनेक वैभव प्रकाश।
So he is the same Bhagwan. He is manifesting so many forms. So he is manifesting Chit Shakti, Jada Shakti, Mike Shakti, or Jeev Shakti. Actually, Prabhuji, no need to remove the mic from mobile while Gurudev is reciting the shlokas or singing. With your mic on, Gurudev's voice is more loud. Oh my God, Jaho. So he is the same Vastu. He is nothing. But according to the Bhakta Tartamya Bhakta Rasas, so he is manifesting his Swarupa. He is relishing the Leela Rases. So the same Krishna is manifesting in the form of Narayan in the Vaikunt. In the Ayodhya, he is manifesting Ram form. In the Dwarikadish Krishna, Mathuradish Krishna, and the Golok Vrindavan, Brajendandan Sham Sundar. So according to the mood of the bhaktas, he is manifesting his forms. So before the Sakha, he is manifesting Sakha form. And the same Krishna before the gopis, he is just like manifesting the form of Kamadev. Navayojanancha. Vedeshu Durlava Adurlava. Like so, being a one, he is manifesting in so many forms. Before the gopis, he is just like a Kamdev. And the same Krishna, when he is sitting on the lap of Mother Yashoda and taking the breast milk of her, so he is just like a Shishu, just like a child there. How is it possible? So we will describe the so many kathas. I am describing a little bit. So Mother Yashoda in the morning time she is feeding to Krishna. What she saw on the forehead of Gopal, there is a little red marks there. So Mother Yashoda thought, so my Gopal
इतने नटखट है।
He is so much naughty.
कतकल काल जो है शाम के समय,
So maybe yesterday evening time, my maid servant, she didn't give the proper bath to him.
कहीं यमुना की मिट्टी जो है कुछ ये वर्ण होता है, लाल वर्ण होता है।
So sometimes the Yamna's clay is little bit red, and so that's why the soil of the Yamuna, she is on the head of him. So at the same time Kundalata came. Oh Mother Yashoda, he is taking your breast milk, but in the night he used to do ras.
गोपियों के साथ क्या करती है?
So he is doing the ras with the gopis.
देखो वात्सल भागवती माँ यशोदा,
So Mother Yashoda in the Vatsalya moods.
रास शब्द की
So what is the meaning of ras actually? Nitya Geetati rasa.
माँ यशोदा वात्सल भागवती के जहाँ हो
So Mother Yashoda is saying, yeah, it may be possible. My child is so young, so maybe he is playing with the child and he is doing singing and dancing. Dei dei ta ta tha ta dhinda. And maybe he fall down on the red soil of the Yamuna. But Kundalata is saying, no, it is not the soil. This is the kumkum of the Bhaktisthal of the gopis. So hearing that, Mother Yashoda is not trusting her.
कृष्ण में यही विशेषता,
So this is the speciality of Krishna.
एक ही साथ में
In the same time, he is presenting the Vatsalya form before Mother Yashoda in a very Shishu form, Gopal form,
सखा के निकट सब
and before the Sakha, Sakya form,
और गोपियों के साथ
and before the Gopis, Madhurya form, like a Kamdev.
किसी को आता है?
This is called.
इससे और एक कथा बता दो।
And when I'm telling one more katha, so some leelas of Krishna, Jeev Goswami Pada is describing. He is describing in so many leelas.
महा क्या बोले, राजकुमार लीला कहा जाता है।
Which is called the Rajkumar Leela, the Prince Leela. Like
खान पान की घर की कोई लड़का हो,
if there is a person who is from
उसके शरीर बड़ा होता है।
a very wealthy family, so if he is young, so he must have so much nice healthy physique.
अच्छी तरह से खान पान
So in the Punjab, if you in the India there is a state of Punjab, if you go there, so you will find so many healthy persons because they are taking so much ghee, milk, lassi. So because in the Punjab there are so much tall and bodybuilder persons there. They have huge physique. They are so fat, but they are so healthy.
उम्र होगा कि 10 साल,
So their age must be 10 years old, but they are looking like 14 and 15 years old because they are so fat. They are so fit.
आर्मी में देखे ना पंजाबी लोग,
So you have seen in the armies, there are many Punjabis are there. They have the tall body, very healthy physique
क्योंकि वहाँ पर खान पीन
because there they have,
क्लाइमेट के अनुसार
according to the climate, according to the diet, they have healthy body.
इनकी तरफ जितने
But if you are coming towards the south,
तो वो सब क्या होता है,
all are very little.
गाय भी देखोगे,
Even if you see the cow here, it will be very slim, trim.
में घूमते हुए देखोगे, वो गाय भी जैसे यहाँ पर उदाहरण के जो है एक बकरी के समान होता है।
So here's cow is just like a god from Punjab area.
पंजाब के एक बकरी
So Punjab's one god and Odisha Bengal's one cow is same equal.
देखा है क्या? और दूध कितने दे देते हैं?
And they are giving the milk will in very little form, very little.
से खाओ पियो
But if somebody is eating so much, so he will get fat.
और खाते
He will be healthy. But somebody is not eating, so he cannot be healthy.
फूल दे दो,
So just you
उदाहरण देते हैं।
flew the air, he will flew away. Just you blow the air, he will flew away. So in the same one Krishna's Leela,
राजकुमार लीला का है,
so this is called the Rajkumar Leela, the Prince Leela.
जैसे
Just like
उच्च संभ्रांत घर में जन्म ले,
if somebody has taken birth in a very healthy or wealthy family,
क्या बोलते हैं?
huh?
आदमी ने उसके अनुसार शरीर भी बड़ा होता है,
According to their genes, they have very nice physique,
ऊपर
inheritance because his father, mother, according to a dynasty, so they have this kinds of good physics. They are healthy.
तो कृष्ण भी उसी प्रकार
So in the same way, Krishna is one Leela is called Rajkumar Leela, the Prince Leela.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way, Gopi is also saying in the same way,
ये भी बहुत लोग शंका उठाते हैं,
because some people make a doubt according to the mic words, mic views, they would like to thinking
कृष्ण रासलीला कैसे किया,
how Krishna did the Ras Leela, how he stole in the cloths of the gopis, how it is possible all the things. Are you cannot understand this.
हैं? भजन साधन करो,
Just perform the bhajan sadhan, then you can understand.
समझ ले लो, कहो बस।
Only just think
जड़ जगत में जैसे मैं
in this mic word I said.
हाँ, समझे? इतना ही तो समझना चाहिए है? लेकिन खान पीन अच्छा तरह से रात करें। इसलिए कहते हैं कृष्ण के एक लीला कहा जाता है, राजकुमार लीला भी कहा है, छोटा है।
Krishna is prince. He is small, but he has a very huge physique, very healthy physique. And Krishna is Bhagwan actually. Kartum akartum ya samartha sa Ishvara like. This is the another thing. According to Tattvasan, this is a different thing. But so Kundalata saying to Mother Yashoda, hey Mother Yashoda, now he is sleeping, now he is lying on your lap and feeding, taking your breast milk, but at the night time he is doing the ras with the gopis. So Mother Yashoda just thought only he is just a little child. At the night maybe he is playing with his little boys and he is dancing and singing with them. But actually ras, Krishna's ras is transcendental thing, which is possible only with the gopis. So, but Mother Yashoda has a Vatsalya bhav, that's why she is not able to understand all these things. So now we are coming to the Katha, what Bhagavan is doing, Anugraham Bhaktanam Manushadeha Ashritam. So just like a human being, he is doing all kinds of leelas. So there are many kinds of leelas as Krishna. So Krishna's eternal transcendent form is Narvapu.
ऐसे भी शास्त्रकार ने कहा है, उसके ऊपर कहते हैं ज्योति दिखाई देते हैं, ब्रह्म बाद में उसको ज्योति कहा जाता है। उसी ज्योति के अंदर में क्या है, चित्रपति द्विभुज मुरलीधर।
So in that effulgence there is a Dvibhuj Muralidhar from above the Vaikuntha, and how he is taking the flute on his hand and he is playing flute. So how beautiful form is that? Because so the Manav Leela, human being Leela is the topmost Leela of Bhagavan. Bhagavan has incarnation himself in so many ways. Keshavadita Narhari Rupa Jai Jagadishare Jai Jagadishare. Keshavadita Kurmasarita Jai Jagadishare Jai Jagadishare. Narhari Rupa. Jayadeva Goswami Pad, so he has recited Jai Dashavatar Srotam. So his transcendental form is Dvij Muralidhar. He is a beautiful form that everybody is attracting towards that form. So Matsya Kumbhara, all the incarnations are very, very beautiful. But if we compare with the Krishna's roop, Krishna's form is unique and unparalleled. So Krishna's Rupa Madhuri, one part of that can attract to all the Vishwa Brahmand. So Vasudev Krishna, he was also attracted with that form. And Krishna himself, when he saw his form, he also astonished, he shocked. How beautiful form I have, Vismaparam, Vismaparam. So everything is described by the beautiful shlokas of Krishna. Padabhidam Natprabhu Karma Karma
वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
Krishna has a beautiful form,
विशेष करके
especially
कथाओं के साथ
Krishna with the Sakhas. Now the time is going to be over.
गोचारण करते
When he is going to a cow herding with his friends, so he has a beautiful form.
हैं, जब बंसी बजाते हैं
And when he is playing the flute,
वो रूप के साथ
and what to describe about that form? Oh, it is unique and unparalleled.
बरहा पीड़म
That's why Barha Piram Natpar Babu Karno Karnakaram Vibra Vapsudeva Karmati.
रंगान गेनो हृदय सुधया पुराण गोविंद विष्णारंग प्राण सतत कितना सुंदर जो गोविंद की ऐसे गोविंदे ने माधुरी देखी वासुदेव वासुदेव कृष्ण भी
So Vasudev Krishna,
रूप दर्शन करके
so seeing that kinds of beautiful form of Govind, he was so much
अपने आप
shocked.
परछाई पर देखकर
And when Krishna,
खुश हो जाते मेरे इतने सुंदर
when Krishna saw his
और उसने
form himself, and he was so much shocked.
ये दोष है स्वयं कृष्ण भी उसी प्रकार हुए है तथा राधिका में
So just like the Krishna is going to embrace Radhika, in the same way when he saw his shadow, he is going to do like this. So Krishna did this kinds of so beautiful pastimes that he also attracted himself. Once Mother Yashoda, first time,
मक्खन चोरी कर
how he stolen butter. Mother Yashoda, first time,
जो है अपने
she put it the fresh butter in his house.
घड़ा में रखा
In the picture. So Bal Gopal, first time,
मक्खन चोरी की लीला
he was doing the Makhan Chori Leela, first time.
ठमक
So
करके
Tamak he was coming on the knees, so he just opened the gate
उस घर में प्रवेश
and he entered in that room
और ताजे ताजे माखन
and he is seeing that fresh butter, so the starch coming from the mouth of Govind.
तो घर में जो है
But
ये तो देखो
but there is so much darkness in the
चाहते क्या
muddy. But there is a ankle in the hand of Govind
जति से ये वो प्रकाश
bracelets, and it is there is so much light is there, and the complexion of Govindas, it's so beautiful.
हैया पदम्बमुदे इंद्रजीनामिन है
So Bhaktivinoda Thakur in this way is describing.
ये समस्त बात है बोले कृष्ण की अंग कांति
So Krishna's Anga Kanti, the complexion of Krishna's is just like Indra Nirmali. It is defeating that.
नवनीत नंदित नवनीत अदन निंदित रस सागर नागर कितना सुंदर नवनिंदित आकाश की जो
So Navnindit. So the clouds of the sky,
ब्राह्मण कर
he is doing the parabhut of that.
नवनीत है और इसमें हम जो वर्णन करते हैं ये बाल गोपाल की अंग कांति इतने सुंदर जो है
So the complexion of Bal Gopal is so beautiful. So by his Anga Kanti, by his complexion, the dark room became so much lightful, and he was able to see where is butter, and seeing that butter.
इतने समय बलदेव प्रभु
At the same time, Baldev Prabhu,
कथा मैं बोलना चाहते हूँ बलदेव की लीला कथा है भूल गया सब तो उसमें लिखा है कहाँ पर उसको लिखा?
at that time, Baldev Prabhu, I would like to tell this story in the Baldev glorification, but I forget. I have written in the copy notebook, but I have forgotten that. So at the time, Baldev Prabhu told to Bal Gopal, Baldev Prabhu told to his mother, just see your Bal Gopal. And at the time, first time, Mother Yashoda seeing the first butter stealing Leela of Krishna, and what Gopal did.
कौन है माँ यशोदा
So at the behind there is a Mother Yashoda,
ऐसे
and she's seeing, watching everything.
बालक क्या करते
So Mother Yashoda is watching everything.
गोपाल क्या करने लगे
And what Gopal was doing, he put his hand into the butter,
अपनी जो परछाई जो है
into the pitcher, and Gopal saw his shadow.
तो गोपाल विचार करने लगे।
And now Gopal is thinking, who is that boy? Who is coming from?
देखो भगवान
Where is coming from?
ने इसे बताया
So
कि
भगवान
साथ में क्या है?
Sarvagita or Sarvagita.
मुग्धता और
So at the same time, Bhagwan is Sarvagita and Mugdata. So he knows everything, but he's forget everything also.
लगे
So he was thinking, who is that shadow?
दूसरे की बात
So he is thinking that he is another boy just like me.
उसकी कहने लगी
And he is saying, oh,
हाथ भी ऐसे कर
and that boy also is doing. So the shadow is doing the same thing as Krishna was doing. He was saying, "Hey, shadow, you just keep quiet." So the shadow is also saying, "You just keep quiet."
क्या है, वो गोपियाँ कोई साधारण नहीं है, वो सब कृष्ण के परिचय मान दिए, संशय दूर करने के लिए भी जगह और भगम कहानी सब है। तो कृष्ण कहते नहीं।
So Krishna is saying to that boy, "Oh, just keep quiet," and that shadow is also saying in the same way.
अच्छा देख,
Now,
फिर कृष्ण जब मक्खन लिया,
when Krishna is stealing the butter, and he's also that shadow also is stealing the butter.
तुमको मैं खिला,
So I'm feeding you.
देखो अपने परछाई को,
So now,
अपने प्रतिरूप अपने सखा मान करके,
so thinking that he's my friend and he's feeding his shadow, and Krishna is taking himself,
और वो प्रतीक्षा भी ऐसे करते
and the same shadow is doing the same thing. At the same time,
माँ जसोदा
Mother Yashoda,
गोपा,
she came and she said Gopa, and Krishna thought he just wiped his mouth.
ऐसे सफेद जैसे दाढ़ी हमारे वहाँ
So just like his beard became like me, his face is became like me,
ऐसे बिल्कुल सफेद,
like white, my beard, like my beard.
माँ सीता के कर दे,
So Mother Yashoda said, "How?"
पहली बार झूठ बोलना सीखा,
So Krishna started telling lie first time.
लेकिन तो हो,
So charity becomes at the
झूठ
home.
बोले,
So now Krishna started
मैं नहीं मक्खन खाता,
telling lie first time.
मेरा सखा जो है,
So I am not eating the butter. This my friend is eating the butter.
कहा
I told him I am going to tell my mother, but he said no, you don't tell. I am feeding you.
खाना नहीं खाता, जबरदस्ती
So I didn't want to eat, but he is feeding me. He is feeding me. So Mother Shri said, Bal Gopal, I saw all your leelas from backside. So Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki jai.
अच्छा इस चित्र के अंकन यदि आप कोई करें परिणाम करते करते
Even if when you are chanting the holy name, when you realize this all kinds of leelas, so you will get so much beautiful pleasure.
ताकि सब विराट दास उपवास तत्व होई, ये तो वास्तविक वैष्णव महापुरुष की आज्ञा है। इसीलिए आप कथा में कोई नाम करते
So if somebody is chanting the holy name and he is remembering this kinds of leela, so he will get so much pleasure. You will be observed in Harinam, and all your Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh will be, all the vikar will go away.
अविष्टता ही
Avishtita, observations is the backbone of bhajan.
और अविष्ट होने से आपके
And when you are is not observed in your bhajans, so
भगवान ने ही
nothing can be happens.
है बहुत कथाएं
So there are many stories we will describe tomorrow. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Now is the arti time. Hare Krishna.
भगवान प्रति काम क्रोध दूर करने के लिए यही तो कहते हैं
So what you have to do for keeping away for Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh?
माया माया अविष्ट ना मेरे प्रति अविष्ट होने के
If somebody is avished with me,
पतिता भजिता ध्याना भजिता कथिता ध्याना
bhajita, katita, dhyana, like
ऐसे कोई बीज को जैसे
just like,
गेहूं के जरिए को इसको उबाल दिया
so if you boil the seeds of any kinds of grain, and if you sprout, if you boil that seeds, and after that you can put into the water thousands years, it cannot be sprout. In the same way, if somebody is observed in the Bhagwan Leela, so Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh cannot touch him. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. This is the Leela Katha. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Now the RT time, so see you tomorrow in the morning class. Hare Krishna.